Incorporating sources. Elevate your academic writing. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be diving deep into an essential aspect of research skills, incorporating sources into your writing. Whether you're drafting an essay, a research paper, or any other academic work, knowing how to effectively weave in external sources can elevate the quality of your writing. Incorporating sources into your writing accomplishes several objectives. 1. Credibility. By referencing authoritative sources, your arguments and statements gain more validity. 2. Evidence. Sources provide evidence to back up your claims or arguments. 3. Diverse perspectives. They can introduce different viewpoints, enriching the depth of your work. 4. Avoiding plagiarism. Properly citing and incorporating sources ensures that you give credit where it's due. There are 3 primary methods to weave sources into your writing. 1. Quoting. This involves taking a segment from the source verbatim. Always ensure you use quotation marks. Example: according to Smith, 2020, reading daily improves cognitive abilities. 2. Paraphrasing. This means taking information from a source and putting it into your own words. Although it's in your words, you still need to cite the original source. 3. Summarizing. This involves providing a brief overview of a longer section from the source. Like paraphrasing, always credit the source. Remember, while these methods help you incorporate sources, always include proper citations to avoid plagiarism. For smooth integration of sources into your writing, consider the following. 1. Introduce the source. Before quoting or paraphrasing, introduce the source to your readers. E.g., according to Dr. Jane Doe, a renowned linguist. 2. Use signal phrases. Phrases like, Doe argues that, Smith points out, or Chen questions, help transition and embed the sources within your narrative. 3. Stay true to the original meaning. When paraphrasing, it's crucial to retain the source's original intent. 4. Interact with the source. Don't just drop a quote and move on. Analyze, critique, or build upon the source material in your subsequent sentences. Incorporating sources into your academic writing can seem daunting, but with the right techniques and practices, it becomes second nature. By seamlessly integrating and interacting with external sources, you add depth, credibility, and richness to your work. We hope this video has been insightful, and happy writing!